Hello friends, Tanya here for Spellbinders. This is day 14 of the Spellbinders 2022 Advent Calendar unboxing. Let's find that window, box number 14. What have you been doing with your stuff? Have you been creating? I'd love to see what you're making. Today it looks like we have another die set, and this looks like it could be... Yes, it is some foliage and flowers. I do love these layering and versatile foliage and floral dies because you can use them as fillers and accents in all kinds of projects. Oh yeah, I wish I'd had time to assemble this one for you. If you have this advent calendar, be sure to share with us how it looked when you created yours. Give me a like, subscribe, check that description box below for any links I might find for you, and until tomorrow, bye-bye.